Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see additional protection in Microsoft Defender. In last few videos we have discussed about Defender for servers, Defender for app servers, Defender for storage, Defender for SQL. There is other options as well, like Microsoft Defender for open source databases, Microsoft Defender for Key Vault, Microsoft Defender for Resource Manager, Microsoft Defender for DNS, and Defender for containers. I wanted to discuss additional protection in Microsoft Defender before we discuss those things. I don't know why I like this module more. So we'll talk about threat protection for Azure network layer. So Microsoft Defender for cloud network layer analytics is based on sample IP fixed data, which are packet headers collected by Azure core routers. Based on this data, and the Defender for Cloud would use machine learning models to identify and flag the malicious traffic activities. Defender for Cloud also uses the Microsoft Threat Intelligence database to enrich IP addresses. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, I am logged on into the portal and I will click on Microsoft Defender for Cloud. I would say no thanks. Okay, so some network configuration would restrict Defender for Cloud from generating alerts on suspicious network activity. For Defender for Cloud to generate network alerts, please ensure that your virtual machines have a public IP address or is on a load balancer with a public IP address, and your virtual machine's network egress traffic is not blocked by external IDS solution. And when we talk about threat protection for Azure Cosmos DB, which is still in preview, Azure Cosmos DB alerts are generated by unusual and potentially harmful attempts to access or exploit Azure Cosmos DB accounts. We can display Azure WAF alerts in Microsoft Defender for Cloud. Azure App Gateway, which is Azure Application Gateway, offers a web application firewall, which is WAF, that provides centralized protection of your web applications from common exploits and vulnerabilities. Web applications are increasingly targeted by malicious attacks that exploit commonly known vulnerabilities. The Application Gateway WAF is based on Core Rule Set 3.0 or 2.2.9 from the Open Web Application Security Project. The WAF is updated automatically to protect against new vulnerabilities. If you have a license for Azure WAF, your WAF alerts are streamed to Defender for Cloud with no extra configuration needed. Defender for Cloud also display Azure DDoS protection alerts in Microsoft Defender for Cloud. Distributed denial of service, which is DDoS. DDoS attacks are known to be easy to execute. They have become a great security concern, particularly if you are moving your applications to the cloud. A DDoS attack attempts to exhaust an application resources, making the application unavailable to legitimate users. DDoS attacks can target any endpoint that can be reached through the internet. To defend against DDoS attacks, purchase a license for Azure DDoS protection and ensure you are following application design best practices. DDoS protection provides different service tiers. And when we talk about the display of Azure Microsoft Defender for Cloud recommendation in Microsoft Defender for Cloud apps. Microsoft Defender for Cloud apps is a cloud access security broker or CASB that supports various deployment modes including log collection, API connectors and reverse proxy. It provides a rich visibility, control over data travel, and sophisticated analytics to identify and combat cyber threats across all your Microsoft and third-party cloud services. If you have enabled Microsoft Defender for Cloud apps and selected the integration from within Microsoft Defender for Cloud settings, your hunting recommendations from Microsoft Defender for Cloud will appear in Defender for Cloud apps with no extra configuration needed. Alright, so these are the additional Defender protections that I wanted to talk to you about. Maybe in coming videos we will talk about the Defender for open source databases, Key Vault, Resource Manager, DNS, and containers. I hope this video was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.